here's a package from Japan. Took about 2 weeks to get here. I did order it through Amazon, but they had to ship it from Japan. It was available through Amazon Prime, and took a couple of weeks to get here. It had to go through customs and everything, but you can see the label there, Japan stamp, and surface airlifted. I'm not sure what that means. But yeah, it came from Tokyo, Japan. It says Earphone, and actually it's a full headset that's meant to plug into this Kenwood THD7A handheld 2 meter and 440 megahertz radio. It plugs into, I think, 2 of these plugs right here, which I'll open up and show later. There's a separate earpiece and one for the microphone. So theoretically, in this package is that headset. And inside is a small box. And that looks so far like it's the correct thing. This box looks a little damaged here. Seen better days. I mean, it looks like it's still sealed. Well, I don't know about that. I haven't looked inside yet. Hopefully everything's in good shape. It looks like the right thing. So I'll have my assistant open the rest of the packaging. So far, not a problem. Still looks pretty good. Looks like it's in good shape. You can see the push-to-talk switch here, the earpiece, and the connector. I think the microphone's right in there too. A little push-to-talk button on it. But I'll take it out of here and we'll see what we have. So here's a clip to clip onto your lapel or your jacket, whatever you got. And I don't know how well it's coming through on the camera, but on the side here is a push-to-talk switch. So you just squeeze that a little bit and talk. And then here's the earpiece that goes obviously in your ear like any other earbud. And here's the special connector. And what you have here is a 3.5 millimeter tip ring shield and then a 2.5 millimeter tip shield. Anyway, let's see if we can, with one hand, show everybody how this works. So probably in this video it's going to be hard to see, but so the top one is speaker, the next one is mic. Then you have inputs, actually some interfaces for a PC, and maybe I'll have another video that shows that, so you can control the settings on the radio and modify the memory banks. And then down here is GPS, because this radio is capable of sending and receiving APRS information, and that's a whole nother video all by itself. This radio is pretty nice in that it has these, I think, high quality gaskets, what would you call them, seals, that keeps dust and sand and water out of your radio. So there you go, you got the 3.5 millimeter port down here for the microphone and the 2.5 millimeter at the top for the earpiece. So all you do is line these guys up. I'm not going to worry about that little piece of thread in the way. Just line those up. Pop that in there, and it's still not all the way in. There we go. Okay, now we're connected. I've got it tuned to one of the NOAA weather radio stations, and but anyway, the headset's working fine as far as the earpiece goes. It's working perfectly. Sounds very good. I won't be able to transmit on this frequency. The radio will prevent that. Okay, I know that I should not kerchunk the repeater. And someone watching this might say, oh boy, why'd you do that? I think if I just do it once, it's not that big a deal. I just want to do the push to talk. We'll see the signal transmit. Yep, it did it. So there it is, the Kenwood EMC-3 lapel microphone with clip and push to talk button on the mic, earpiece, all in one for the Kenwood THD7A handheld amateur radio. It arrived intact from Japan, ordered through Amazon, got here in 2 weeks. I'm pretty happy with the purchase. Thank you very much. Have a good one. 73s. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo.